Hello, I'm Karen Brooks Nelson, the Educational Technology Consultant from AdvEducation. I'm working with a Hitachi interactive projector, and this is a whiteboard, and I'm showing you Starboard software. And the purpose of this little video is to show you the Objects drop-down menu. And so I'm going to pick up my interactive pen and show you that when I tap on an object, I get a menu. And in that menu are many things that I can do. Now in this exercise, I've got an apple tree that I found on internet. I've got my question that I want students to solve, and I've got one apple. And one apple's no good. We need to have more than that. So in the drop-down menu, I'm going to look for infinite clone. Set infinite clone. There we go. There's a little figure 8 there. You probably can't see it from there. But when I tap outside and drag the apple, 1, 2, 3, I'll have as many as I need. And so once they have added 4 more, they'll have their total of 7, and they can write down the answer that they have found. Let's go to another page and look at another example. And I'll close my menu so it's not in the way. So we have some atoms here, and we're going to build molecules. I don't want to infinitely clone each one of those separately. I'm going to do them all at once by dragging around them. They're all selected. And I'm going to now set the infinite clone. And so we know that water is H2O. So I'll put my hydrogen up here and my 2 oxygen. And my carbon dioxide, which is a carbon, and 2 oxygen. And if I want to, I can add lines to connect those. So from my menu, I could go to the shapes, and the top one is a line. So I can connect those together for carbon dioxide. Let's look at another example. I'll go to the next page. And here I want students to make a pattern. And I have already infinitely cloned those. I do need to be on the select tool. So these are infinitely cloned, ready to go, and I can say to them, I want an AAB pattern, an AAB pattern. Now someone come up and make an AAB pattern that looks different than that. Let's look at something else we can do with our drop-down menu. And now I've got a reflection line, or a mirror line, and I've got one fish. And I want to duplicate that fish and then flip him so that it will look like a mirror image. So let's look at our fish drop-down menu. And you see all the things we can do. We don't want to infinitely clone because we only want one fish. So I'm going to just duplicate that. And if we look at him, he's not mirrored at all. So we want to flip him over, and that is found in the menu as well. I'm going to go down to the bottom where it says rotate and flip. And I'm going to flip it horizontally. So now I have a mirrored fish, and I'm all finished. Thank you for watching this video.